Hey, what's going on, YouTube family and friends? This is Bear Brown. Thanks for coming to my garden channel today, where I'm here helping you grow something tasty. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fight the cucumber beetle. That's right. If you're having trouble with the cucumber beetle tearing up your plants and you're not getting that great, nice harvest that you want, I'm going to show you another method that is going to help you fight this cucumber beetle, and you are going to love seeing how this works. So first, I had to trim this off because this weed is going so big so fast, and this is going to be the cucumber beetle buffet. And I don't know the name of this weed, but I'm gonna bring you in close after I get this plant out of my raised bed and put it into the box, and then we're gonna take it to the backyard. I'm gonna show you what to do with it. All right, so we're gonna transplant it first. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and pull it up out of my raised bed and get as many roots as possible. All right, this right here is a game changer. If I can get this all out. So I'm trying to work it free, and the roots is pretty deep. But you wait till you see this. I might have needed a shovel. Oh, it's way down here. Come on. All right, so I'm gonna make this deep enough. I need to dig it out a little bit more. I'm gonna lay this right here. I was trying to get some soil to come out with it, but hopefully it'll be intact. This is a weed, so it should grow anywhere. All right, so let's see if we can stick it down in here. I need to go a little bit deeper. All right, so now all I'm gonna do is try to backfill, trying to make sure I can get all the roots in. So let's take this, backfill this up. Oh, and I'm gonna tell you another thing. This weed, it attracts wasps too. So if you see me dodge and move out the way, that means there wasps in the area. I had a lot of wasps that I had to beat away. So I ain't scared, but I ain't want to get stung either. All right, so when I get out back, I'm gonna take this to the backyard. I'm going to, of course, water this in because I want to make sure that the roots get nice and moist. It gets acclimated to its new home, and I can move this around to entice the cucumber beetle. So what I'm gonna do is I am also going to look this up and see if I can find out a picture so that you can look and see what type weed this is, so that you can look around in your backyard and make sure you don't pull every single weed, because this is critical. Wait till you see how many beetles get on this plant. It's insane. So I'm gonna let you see what it looks like up close. All right, so this is the weed up close, and here is another weed. Like I say, it grows pretty fast. It grows a lot. So just make sure that you are ready for all this growth. All right, so look pretty close. You see all this damage on the leaves? These are the damage from the cucumber beetle. So this is what cucumber beetle damage looks like. I'd rather have it on these weeds than on my cucumber plants. All right, so here's another one. And here are some that already flew off. All right, see that cucumber beetle? There were loads of them on here, but I'm also gonna show you some footage that I took not too long ago, and you can see all of the cucumber beetles that was on that plant, and they are eating away on it. So that is the buffet. As long as you have all those plants out here, all the weeds, they will not attack your cucumber, because they love cucumber plants, because they love that weed. As you can see, they love it better more than the actual cucumber plant. All right, so I got the plant. I got to water it down so that it does not droop over, so it can get used to its new environment. And if you look carefully, I have my cucumber plant right here. So if you look at the leaves, let's go in close. You see the leaves are all intact. See the little cucumber right here? All right, so look at all those leaves. And I got my other one over here. So you see the leaves, they are eating that weed and leaving my plants alone. So you need to look for it so that you can have the same thing. Don't pull all your weeds up. All right, since I'm here, I might as well go ahead and try to get some of these cucumbers off. I have been pulling cucumbers off every other day. Look at that. Cucumber beetle. They are not messing with my cucumbers. All right, and I like to pull them off fairly young so that I can encourage more and more cucumbers. I have been harvesting cucumbers like every other day. I'm giving cucumbers away. Look at, they keep growing and growing. And one reason is because I don't have to worry about that cucumber beetle. Because that one tip that I'm showing you today, I'm getting cucumbers galore. I'm just popping them off, popping them off. All right, so I'm gonna leave those on. Probably I'll take those off tomorrow. All right, so if you want loads of cucumbers, look for that weed. Don't pull all your weeds. And look, I'm not getting any damage on my plants. I used to get damage on my plants because I used to pull up all the weeds that I can, but that weed is gonna help us. So this is Bear Brown. Thanks for coming to my garden channel today. And remember, look for that weed. If you're having trouble with your cucumbers, make sure you leave that weed and they're gonna go to that plant for that cucumber beetle buffet. And they're gonna leave these plants right here alone, and you're gonna have loads of cucumbers just like me. All right, take care. Bye.